It's controversial news on the eve of a crucial climate change conference in Copenhagen. All this while, of course, we believe Himalayan glaciers are receding because of global warming.
But a new report now by the Environment Ministry says that's actually not true. It goes on to say these glaciers are actually expanding, believe it or not.
Well, these are findings which are in direct conflict with the doomsday findings forecast by the Nobel-winning UN panel on climate change. Pallav Bagla has the story.
It could be a controversy of Himalayan proportions. The government has today debunked the UN climate change panel report, saying its doomsday prediction on glaciers is wrong. The 2007 IPCC report said the Himalayan glaciers are receding faster than in any other part of the world, and at the current rate of global warming, they may disappear altogether by year 2035 or even earlier. Now the government report contradicts that, with a warning by the minister not to be alarmist.
We don't need to be alarmist like the IPCC was. We don't need to write the epitaph for the glaciers. I think the truth is incredibly complex.
The government report is based on a study of a dozen or so glaciers, though there are close to 10,000 glaciers in the Indian Himalayas. This says, till 2003, the Gangotri glacier was retreating at 22 meters a year. Over the next 2 years, this slowed to nearly 12 meters. And between 2007 and June this year, the glacier has stood still. The government report goes on to cite the examples of the Siachen glacier, which it says has not retreated much in the last 50 years. The 17-kilometer-long Dokriani glacier, the most studied in India, continues to retreat steadily, not faster as the UN predicted. These claims, backed by a NASA study that suggests Himalayan glaciers are located at much higher altitudes and have not felt the impacts of global warming. But the author of the original IPCC report stands firm.
Yes, I've seen that report. Glaciers are definitely retreating, but their response time is different in different climatic settings.
According to India's Environment Ministry, the Gangotri glacier, the glaciers in the Himalayas and the Ganga are not going to dry up and finish away and waste away anytime soon, as the UN panel on climate change had forecast. In New Delhi, with camera person Manu Nair, Pallav Bagla for NDTV.